So the time has come. I finally picked up an exhaust for the Subaru. I really wanted to get the Tomei TI Extreme exhaust, but $1,000 is really out of my budget right now. And I actually got in contact with a buddy of mine that I went to high school with, and he ran this exhaust for about 1,000 miles or 1,200, something like that, and took it off because he got a newer STI. So fortunately, I was able to get a killer deal on this system. This is the Invidia N1 dual tip, titanium tip exhaust. See there, Invidia high performance exhaust systems. So obviously I don't get a fancy unboxing video because it's not brand new, but there we go. So most of it's wrapped up. I'm not going to sit here and unwrap everything, mostly because it's really late at night, but needs a good cleaning. This thing should be brand new. You see everything right there. See if you can see that better. There you go. So yeah, it's all here. It's gonna look so good. The only thing I'm worried about is it not being loud enough, but sometimes quiet's better. So now for the fun part is fitting all of this that came in this massive box in the Subaru. Alright, how do you fold these back seats down? Okay, so I found it. It was these little pull levers on the back. So that, my friends, is how you stuff a full exhaust in the back of your Subaru. Got the exhaust nice and tucked up back here. Hopefully it doesn't slide around too much tomorrow. So yeah, we'll go ahead and fast forward tomorrow when we start installing it. It's early. It's really fucking early. Let's get this cold start one last time. It's all out? Oh fuck. All the stock stuff out. Restriction, 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 restriction. Big old pipe for this little 4-cylinder. You got 2,000. Whoa, 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 whoa. So now that the car's finally out of the shop, I figured I'd give you guys a little update. So it was a little bit of an install. We had a little bit of trouble with the mid pipe attaching to the down pipe, but that was all sorted out. And I gotta tell you one thing, it sounds absolutely amazing. Videos do not do it justice. It's very, very deep, very throaty. Definitely hits all bases as far as the Subaru Rumble goes. Sounds absolutely incredible, and if you ask me, looks absolutely incredible as well. I love it. There we go. I think my favorite part about it as well is the fact that the tips themselves are angled. They're not like straight out. So if you look, it's coming out, you know, at an angle, and it pokes just enough. Like it's perfect. But yeah, looks sweet. I love it. I'll try and get some rolling videos for you later on in the week, but as for now, sounds amazing, looks amazing, and fits perfect. Catch you guys next time.